Here we have a 68 plate BMW 420i M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the Glacier Silver metallic paintwork. We do have the daytime running headlights, we've got the gloss black front kinder grills, gloss black front splitter as well. Going around to the passenger side, you'll find the side skirts running along the bottom. We do have the 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, colour-coded door handles, black door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass at the rear. Up top you'll find the shark fin antennae. We do also have the gloss black rear spoiler. Front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. Round to the back you'll find the twin pipe exhaust on the left, along with the rear diffuser. And then back round to the driver's side again, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Taking a look at the interior, we'll have a look at the back first, so just fold the front seat forward. You'll find leather seats back here. We do have the foldable armrests and fixed ISO points. Same leather seats for the front, both front seats are being heated. There's a quick look at both of them. Take a seat inside, multifunctional steering wheel on the dashboard in front of us. The automatic lights just down there, automatic wipers, paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel, speedometer and the cruise control here on the left. Main infotainment screen. If any of these screens or lights are flickering, it's just the camera. They're not flickering in real life, it's nothing to worry about. So you can see we do have the sat nav just here. We also have the other features. If you click onto media, then you'll find we have the radio stations. Over to the left and you'll find the other media options which you can scroll through. You'll also find the phone connectivity as well for phone calls. Further down we have the vents. We also have the climate control, ice cold air conditioning and the heated seats either side. Automatic gearbox which does have the different drive modes. You can press these buttons to switch through them. Manual handbrake and a leather armrest as well in the centre. That's all I'm going to show you today though. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and next day delivery is available. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 420i. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as we expect it to. As you can see, not to fight the steering to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now we're doing the multifunction steering wheel which has the cruise control and speedometer buttons on the left, along with the phone connectivity and volume buttons on the right. Now we are approaching a junction, so we're going to slow down, put our right indicator on, make sure there's no cars coming, safe to turn right, so we're going to continue on our way now, get up to speed nice and smoothly with the automatic gearbox. You'll also find we do have the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel if you wanted to stick the car into manual mode. If you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Got plenty more features as well throughout the vehicle. The leather seats, for example, which are really comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle, still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats being heated, perfect for the cold winter mornings. We also have the main infotainment screen just here. It's currently showing the sat nav, but also has plenty of features on there. You would have seen all on the photos. Just below there we then have the dual zone climate control for the front passengers, ice cold air conditioning as well, which is perfect for the hot summer days. Now we are going to take another right hand turn, so again, right indicator on, start to slow down, no cars coming, so we're going to turn right onto Gravy Road, and then again, once more, start to accelerate, getting up to speed, going through the gears, nice and smoothly with no issues. You'll also find we do have the different drive modes. We've got a little switch just down here so you can toggle through the drive modes. And we are approaching the dealership now. We're going to take it nice and steady, slow down as we come around the bend, put our left indicator on, and then slow right down, turning left onto the dealership. And I will perform the emergency stop now in 3, 2, and 1. Hold onto the brakes, into reverse. We do have the parking sensors appear on the screen. Back into drive again with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team where they can answer all unanswered questions along with honest inquiries of you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.